Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, Khynnah scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlek puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Kibor penyai ke Little Angel Secondary School Jowai haka jingalam ke Doli Lamari guide captain haka khandai trik julio kila pelong ke enrollment and investiture ceremony ne ke jingpunrung kertangi Khynnah Skul kiba thrang banlong kum ki scout but guides
परम ज्योति जगा देना बहादो प्रेम की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का
Can I trust you on your honor to do your duty to God and your country, to help other people and to obey God's law?
I will do my best.
I will do my best.
Do my duty to God.
Do my duty to God
And to my country.
and to my country,
To help other people.
to help other people
And to obey the guide law.
and to obey the guide law.
Scouts and guide. Standards. Attention.
The Scout all over the world, they are the most prestigious association, so to say, and they are really helping so many things in any scope of this.
Standards. Attention. Leader to the flight. Salute.
Repeat after me. On my honor,
On my honor,
I promise
I promise
that I will do my best
that I will do my best
to do my duty
to do my duty
to God and my country.
to God and my country.
Be honest in everything. Remember that, okay? You have to be punctual and you have to be honest, and then you have to take a step to build your society and your nation also. It is your duty to see that everything run in order. And then we have seen also, remember, young persons like you, they are the hope of our society and our nation also. The character of our society tomorrow will be built by you, small scout and guides. It means that the future of our society will solely depend on you and how you young boys and girls will build it up or will shape it up. So scout and guide plays a role in making the character of a person also. When you join the scout and guide, naturally you will build, you will make the character, you will play a part in making the character of a person. You will be a good person, you will be a punctual person, you will be disciplined in every way. I have seen everywhere I go also when there is a Scout guide and a scout, they used to be very disciplined.
Yesterday is a good day, today is a new day, and every day is Environment Day. Remember that every day is Environment Day. That is the Scouts and Guide spirit, and that is also there is a lot of the badges in your syllabus so that you will learn it, you will complete it to get so many proficiency badges. As we have seen that the boys and the guides, the girl guide, is teaching both sides of them. All these badges are we call it proficiency badges, so that you will earn it by complete or go through the syllabus or whatever you like. So thank you so much for this day. Just to remind you,